Hi, this is Joel Johnson, managing partner with Johnson Brunetti here with money wisdom questions and answers. And the question we're answering today is, what is the secret sauce to make sure my money lasts in retirement? Great question. I'm going to give you the quote secret sauce right now, although there's a lot of different pieces to this, but there are really three things. One is start by writing and dreaming. Write down your dream retirement without any regard to how much money you've saved. Forget about money for just a minute. Write down your dream retirement and be crystal clear on what you want that retirement to look like. The second is you probably want to sit down with a fiduciary financial advisor and figure out, based on what you've saved and what your guaranteed sources of income are, like Social Security and pension, can you meet those goals? Can you meet that dream? What's the monthly amount of money that you need coming into the house so that you can spend that money to meet those dreams? And the answer is going to be very simply, you can't spend that much money because you don't have enough, or you do have enough. Once you get the answer to that question, then that financial advisor will be able to sit down with you and figure out where to make adjustments in that plan. But the key is, as early as possible, get that financial plan. Get that plan that shows how much income you can spend, because once you get clear at the beginning of retirement, you won't have to worry about this going into the future. The plan just has to be adjusted from time to time. And that's really the third piece of this secret sauce, is be willing to adjust the plan from time to time. So you really need to have a financial advisor that is a partner with you, that's a team member that's with you, that's rowing that boat in the same direction, and then knows you, and if you have a partner, your spouse, really, really well. So that's the secret sauce. It's not that complicated. Dream and write. Find out if what you've saved, and use an expert to do this, find out if what you've saved can meet those plans and meet those dreams, and also find somebody to partner with so that when you're 60 and you divide and you design this plan, it'll take you all the way through 80 or 85 when maybe it's more difficult to make financial decisions. So this is Money Wisdom Questions and Answers. Please subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell to make sure you get updated anytime we upload new content. This is Joel Johnson. Have a great day.